So let's see how we use our multiplication tables to make division easy. Long division is one of those nightmares. So first problem says 684 divided by 3. First thing I want us to notice today is that anytime you hear divided by something, it means we are using that multiplication table to find our multiples to do the division. So this time we're working with the 3 times table. That's what divided by 3 means. So we set out our problem in the normal long division format, like that. The divisor is a number we're using to divide. So the divisor in this case is 3. So we use 3 to do our division. That 3 stays outside here as a position of 3. And the number that is being divided is called dividend. So that number stays under the roof right here, 684. If you look in this corner, you will see a diagram there. I call this diagram the circle of long division. This is the long division circle or cycle, if you like. The long division cycle, because it goes round and round until you're finished with all your digits. You do long division one digit after the other. So I took the liberty to give us the multiples of 3 on this side. You may use them if you want, because that's what we use to divide. So what we use to do division from start to finish is the yes or no. The yes or no that we studied the other time. Yes or no. At every point you must ask, is this number a multiple of 3? Yes or no. That is what helps you to do division. So let's see how we proceed with this now. So we begin. First digit, 6. Is 6 a multiple of 3? Yes. So it means we use it straight away. Which line? 3 times 2. So it means our answer here is 2. Remember, the answers are written on the roof. Immediately from that, you are going to multiplication by the same number with the divisor. So 3 times 2 gives you 6. Write it in the same line. Next, the third step in the cycle is subtraction. So once you have this lined up, you do your subtraction. 6, take away 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. And finally, you do the bringing down of the next digit. Next digit is 8. So you bring down 8 to continue in the cycle, repeating step 1. Go back to step 1. 8 divided by 3. So is 8 a multiple of 3? No. So what we are going to use is the closest multiple on the 3 times table before 8. The closest multiple before 8, we have 3, 6, 9. We have crossed 8 already. So it means we return to 6. The multiple we're using now is 6. Forget about the 8. So instead of 8, use 6. So 8 divided by 3, we are using 6 in the place of 8. So 6 divided by 3 is still 2. And then we repeat the second step. Immediately the same answer. 6 times 2 times 3 is 6. Third step, subtraction. Now 8 take away 6 is 2. And the next step, bringing down 4. So these 2 digits now combine to give us 24. 24 divided by 3, answer First we ask yes or no. Is 24 a multiple of 3? Yes, we can see 24 right there. So answer is yes. And how many? What is the line where we have 24? If you remember, it is 3 times 8. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. And we do the same thing. Second step, 8 times 3 is 24. We line it up right under there. And then we go for our subtraction. Third step, subtraction. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. And there is no more digit. There are no more digits to bring down. So our problem ends here. Therefore, this right here becomes our answer. So the answer, we say therefore 684 divided by 3 is equal to 228. Final answer. So let's go faster on the second example. 5,218 divided by 4. So this time we are on the 4 times table. Don't forget. We will not put it up. We'll just use it from our minds. We're supposed to have known it. So 5,218 divided by 4. Divided by 4 means we're on the 4 times table. We put it up there like that. And then 5,218. Under the roof, we begin. Step 1, division. 5 divided by 4. Is 5 on the 4 times table? No. So the closest multiple to 5 is 4 itself. So 4 divided by 4 is what we use now. Answer is 1. Next step, 1 times 4 is 4. Subtraction, 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down 2. So these two combine to give us 12. So 12 divided by 4 is 12 there, yes or no? Yes. How many times? On line 3. So 3 times 4 is 12. Subtraction, 12 minus 12 is 0. Bring down 1. Now be careful here. 1 divided by 4 is not possible because 1 is smaller than 4. So that will go 0 times. So once that happens, don't bother to go through the other steps. Just bring down the next digit immediately. So that gives you 8. Now we have 18. So 18 divided by 4. Is 18 there? No. So what is the closest multiple before 18? It's 16. So we're using 16 now. 16 divided by 4. Answer is 4. And the 4 times table is on line 4. Now 4 times 4 is 16. Now subtraction, 18 minus 16. 8 minus 6 is 2, 0. So you see this one, this number we have right here is called the remainder. So we have a remainder of 2. So this is how we write this answer. Therefore, 5,218 divided by 4 is equal to, this is our answer here, remember, 1,304. Remainder, let me just write R for remainder 2. So to present this answer completely mathematically, we say this is equal to 1,304. These are the whole numbers, and this remainder of 2 will have to be repeated in division. So it will give us a fraction now. And 2 divided by 4. We shall get to understand that 2 divided by 4 means the common factor between 2 and 4 will be used to reduce the fraction, and then this will give us 1304 and a half, because when you divide 2 with itself it will go once, and by 4 that is twice. So this gives us 1/2, because between 2 and 4 there is a common factor, and the common factor is 2, so we use a 2 to divide.